Exciting times bafethu for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uvele bayabe khona laphana ebhentshini, uThabiso Munyane ukuthi abe khona laphana ebhentshini, u-Ighodaro i-striker sabe sisha siyaqala after ama-injuries along. I mean ama-injuries obviously-ke amhluphile since afika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but finally namhlanje uthola i-opportunity yokuthi aqale. But-ke ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoThabiso Munyane ukuthi what he has done for i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu since afikile. Akaze abasegrawundini uThabiso Munyane i-Kaizer Chiefs yakorwa igoli bafethu, not even elilodwa, and udlala amagame awu-5 for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi mekhona uThabiso Munyane laphana emuva for i-Kaizer Chiefs, kune-communication engcono, kune-understanding engcono kakhulu, kune-balance laphana, uletha i-balance. Sikhumbule ukuthi ama-team amaningi bafethu attack-a ngama-wing, isikhathi esiningi ngama-wing. So ku-Kaizer Chiefs wagesa uThabiso Munyane, ngeke umshiye uThabiso Munyane, uyadlala. So I think lelo side lelo liba protected iside laka right isikhathi esiningi makunoThabiso Munyane, and the fact that uyakwazi ukutracker ephambili lo muntu uma-ke wena, but at the same time nawe uma-ke yena because uzothatha ibhola kuwe ahambe akushiye. Vele bayi siyazi ukuthi super talent bafethu. If siyakhumbula, mina ngiyomkhumbula uvele bayi ngegame yakhe against Mamelodi Sundowns, he was not afraid to take Mamelodi Sundowns defenders on. Will he do that for Kaizer Chiefs? That's the biggest thing. Singakhohlwa ukuthi u-Ighodaro nawo namagoli ayi-25 uqalile namhlanje. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Sibafisela inhlanhla abafana basha, nalaba ababuya kuma-injuries mababuye ukuthi bangabi ney'nkinga laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs.